Hello, my name is Marjorie Hernandez, and I will be doing our final interactive advanced concept presentation number 8, and it is regarding instant ice. So the description goes as follows. Phase changes can occur rapidly if properly provoked. In this week's experiment, we are going to take advantage of that by cooling water to the point of phase change and using different stimuli to force the phase change. Using the following video as a guide, please attempt all 3 of the ways to make instant ice. So for the instructions, for this experiment, you will need a few water bottles and a freezer. So I have already put my water bottles, I have 3, in the freezer for about 2.5 to 45 minutes. I just took them out, so I'm hoping that this experiment would work. So for the first experiment, I am to take a bottle of water that's semi frozen but not really, like semi-solid. I'm to flick it and it should turn into ice, solid ice. So let's see. I'm gonna take this. I hope the camera does a good job. Yep, there it goes. You can see it. It's solid. It just runs up. It's watery up top, but it's definitely solid. Okay. So that's the first one. The second one, I'm to take some ice. I don't think this is going to work that well. Some people have done it and they've had a great outcome. On the other end, I don't think I'm going to have a great outcome. I think it's this one that, yeah. Alright, let's see. Yep, I had a feeling that was going to happen. Did not make instant ice like a crystal. Let me try the other water bottle. Maybe I should have frozen the water a little bit longer. Kinda. But not really. So mine failed. Unfortunately. Okay. So the last one is I'm to take some ice and hopefully the bottom of it, once it hits the semi-solid water from the water bottle, it should crystallize. So I'm going to pour some water in here. Okay. And then let's see if it works. Get some ice. Yeah, you can see it. So unfortunately my camera is not that great, but there is ice, it's getting crystals forming at the bottom of the ice cube. Yeah, you could barely see it, but I feel it forming. So, and this has happened to me before, this last experiment. Even if you grab some Coke from the fridge or from the freezer that's at the point where it's gonna freeze completely, and you pour ice in it, that's pretty much what the last experiment is. It's forming the crystals around the ice, from the Coke itself. That's pretty much it. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky, and I was looking forward to the little tower of crystals forming when I would pour the ice, if I were to pour the right amount of temperature that the water would have been at over the ice. But I guess I should have put my water bottles in the freezer a little bit longer, then it definitely would have worked. But thank you for watching. Hopefully I did this last lap correctly. Bye-bye.